So we can start. So let's take this one too. What's 2002? So the right circular cone has base radius 5 centimeters and height 12 centimeters. Calculate A, its what? Volume, then B, its total surface what? Area. And then pi was given as what? 22/7. So for this one, the cone was not actually drawn for you. So you have to do the drawing yourself. So this is our cone. Since it's a right circular cone, you should sit on the base. The slant edge was not given. Now we're giving the height to be 12 centimeters. And then the base radius was given as 5. So all that we need to do is to find the slant edge. So we can name it. The center is O, the apex is B, and the distance from the center to the edge is what? OB. So when we take that side out, we get our right angle triangle, which is AOB. You get that? Yes. Then the perpendicular height becomes 12 centimeters, and then the base radius is 5 centimeters. So we can find the slant edge. And then using Pythagoras from the diagram, we get AB squared to give us AO squared plus what? OB squared. So we do the right substitution, and then we can find the what? The slant edge. Because we need that to find the total surface area. So what is AB? That is 12 squared is equal to AB rather is the one we are looking for. So AB squared is equal to 12 squared plus 5 squared. And this gives us 144 plus what? 25. Hence AB is equal to positive square root of what? 169. You get it? Yeah. The square of 12 is 144, and the square of 5 is what? 25. And the sum of the two gives us 169. So to find the length of AB, we take the positive square root of the 169. So AB will give us what? 13 centimeters. And what does the AB represent? It's the slant edge. So therefore, slant height is equal to what? 13 centimeters. So this side is 13 centimeters. Now we have not actually answered the question. So we have to find the volume. So we know that volume is what? 1/3 pi r squared h. And that will give us 1/3 times 22/7 times the radius, which is what? 5 squared, times the height, which is what? 13. It's not 13. You're not using the slant edge. It should be the perpendicular height, which is 12. What is 1/3 times 22/7 times 25 times 12? Yes, do it direct. Okay. 1/3 times 22/7 times 25 times 12.
314.28571
centimeter cube. And then we were not given any specific number of decimal places or significant figures we have to approximate. Yes. So we can say that the volume is equal to 314.29 centimeters cube. So we have approximated to 2 decimal places. Is that okay?
Yes.
So if it's number of significant figures, we have first significant figure, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. But this question didn't ask us to give any definite number of decimal places or significant figures. So 314.286 is correct. Somebody can say 314.3 centimeter cube is also correct. Do you understand?
Yes.
Any question? Then the total surface area. How do we find the total surface area? So to find the total surface area, which is the B part, CSA, total surface area of the cone will be what?
Pi r squared
Good. Pi r squared
plus pi r l.
pi r l. And the L stands for the slant height. So TSA will give us the area of the base, which is the whole of this. And that will give us 22/7 times the base radius is what? 5. Plus the curved surface area, which will be 22/7 times the base radius, isn't it?
Yes.
And then times the slant edge, which is what?
13.
And then we simplify the whole summation. So 22/7 times 25. This is where students must be careful, because some will just do it anyhow. But you have to take your time and work them separately before you sum up. So 22/7 times 25.
78.5714.
You divided everything?
Yes.
78.5714.
42857.
If you like, you can also do it like this. 22 times 25 is what?
Okay, 22 times 25. 550.
550/7 plus the 22 times 5 times 13.
22 times 5 times 13.
That also gives us what?
1430.
1400 and what?
30/7.
Do you see that?
Yes.
And then this is like fraction. They have the same denominator. So what do? We add the numerator and then repeat one of the denominators.
Okay.
So 550 plus 1430 will give us what?